Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add the calendar next event widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the left-hand side image. Then, in order for you to add in more widgets, you need to remove some of the existing widget to make space for the new calendar widget. So I'm going to remove some of the widgets here. Then I go down and tap on calendar. Next, select the next calendar event widget. So we've got a small widget here or a larger widget. So you can have both if you have enough space in your widget panel. And then tap on the close button. Next, tap on the done button to save the changes. And that's it. Now, if you go to your lock screen, you can test it out and you can see if there is any new events coming up, it should show in your next event widget on the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.